You know, this is not a good combo of this helmet and this fucking... Woo! Fuck you! Oh my god!
Oh, is that a tank? Oh, fuck. I'm only realizing now it might have been a mistake to draw the tank's attention. Get close enough for me to jump onto your fucking barrel, you son of a bitch. I dare you. I fucking dare you. Here. Fuck you. You're a bastard. So, does it only take one shot to one of their engines to take a big ship out? Let's see. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, well, it does. Whoa. Oh, what the? Oh, that was the nuke! It was the nuke! It landed on the nuke! That's not smart. Oh! What the fuck? Let me try this. Only 8? Wait, 8? Huh. Let's see how this goes. What the fuck? Yoink. Yoink. What is this? I did not sign up for this. It's a lobber. Why is there so much laser fire? What the fuck? Holy shit. Oh my god, I forgot that was explosive. Let's see how much damage it does to you, you fucking rocket devastator, bane of my existence, piece of shit! Okay, not enough, not enough, not enough! Whoa! Hello again! Holy shit! Oh! Oh, fuck you guys. Oh, hello, friend. Hello. Oh my god, I had my balls clenching inside of my body. Holy shit. Hey, fuck you, man. It's rude. What the fuck? What? Fuck. Okay, I'm fucking broken. Hey, go fuck yourself, buddy. What? Oh, I'm dead. That cannon's gonna fucking nail me in the face. There it is! Alright, let's get the fuck out of here. I'm going straight home. Fuck the rest of the bot camps. Y'all could go fuck yourselves. We're gonna glass you from orbit anyway. Fuck you. No, I'm out of here. Fuck this shit. I'm out. Going home. Oh! Woohoo! That was the tank! What? Oh, thank God. Thank you, Ship-san. Spear Supremacy-san. Thank you.